are amazing.
Hi, I'm Becky, one of the floral consultants here at FiftyFlowers, and today we are going to be making a centerpiece out of our gorgeous poppies. This happens to be my favorite flower, so I'm super excited to share this design with you. We're going to be using a 5-inch ceramic vase, a third a block of floral foam. So I've got a bucket here with water, and I'm just going to drop this and let it do its thing. You do not need to push on your foam. Let it naturally soak up. Okay, my foam has soaked all the way through. I am going to go ahead and cut a little bit off the top of this and put this down into my container. I don't want it over the top of my vase. Next up, I am going to add water into this with flower food. All right, let's get started. So you are going to want to choose one of your gorgeous poppies here. I do kind of like to start with some of the bigger blooms at the bottom of my arrangement. I will show you this using a pair of floral cutters. I am a knife user, but if you feel more comfortable, absolutely use floral cutters. I do not ever recommend cutting your stems with a pair of scissors. So you are going to want, since we are working in foam, it's easier if you can cut your stem at an angle, and we are going to insert our poppy right in there. That one was a little bit shorter. You noticed it probably was the right length, but it is important to always give your flowers a fresh cut. So I'm kind of just working almost like in a triangle here. And now I'm going to go in with white. I'm going to start to sink some down a little bit lower. Oh my gosh, so pretty. Mono-botanical designs are very popular. Oopsie, I just broke my stem. That's okay though, because what I'm going to do is just cut it, and we're going to bring him down here. This one is still very much a bud, so what we're going to do is peel that outer layer off. You start by pulling from the bottom and gently working your way up. And we're going to put him up towards the top of our design. Okay, so I am finished with all of my stem insertions here. But right now, when you look down, you can see my foam. We don't want that. So what I am going to be using is a little bit of moss to hide that. So we can kind of just gently tuck that in here. You don't need much at all. That's what's great. And there you have it, a beautiful mono-botanical design using our poppies.